Hello and welcome to this very special travel tips with me, Andy Wright, and welcome. Here is a tip that I recorded in Thailand. It's all about shaving. The problem I had was, well, you'll hear all about it, but the problem I had was I didn't have any shaving foam. So here in this short video is how I got around it. Enjoy. Hello, this is Thailand tip from Thailand, and it's if you're in the bathroom and you're a chap and you want to have a little shave, and you don't have any shaving foam. I have found that when I bring shaving foam here in the plane, it sort of goes a little bit weird and doesn't spray very well. And unfortunately, this trip I accidentally bought a empty tin.
Say what?
A empty tin.
Oh, I find that shocking.
I really don't know why, but I ended up with an empty tin, so I didn't have any. So the inspiration for this tip was from my wife's dad, who doesn't use any sort of stuff to go with it. He just shaves.
Ow!
Wet shave with a razor. I couldn't possibly see myself, not having any sort of cream. So what I did was I experimented with soap. Put loads of soap on. I've used it for the last 2 or 3 weeks. Gives you a nice shave. You have to make sure that you rinse your razor every time you do a stroke, because it clogs up with soap, and then you just wash it in the normal way. Now, some people will say that it's obviously bad for you. However, this soap is the ones that I mentioned last time, which is Sidam, which is the antibacterial soap. And I've had, obviously with desperation, not having any cream, it's worked quite well. So there's my little tip for you. If you need to have a shave and you have no shaving foam, use some soap. Okay, see you next time. Bye.